tears you dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Caroline, and welcome. Guys, I don't always look this bad, but I would say like 50%, 40 to 50% of the time. Anyways, so today we are going to declutter and organize my linen closet, my linen / towel closet. This is the only closet that we have for this. I don't have one in my bathroom, so this is the hallway bathroom. Anyways, upstairs we have, but downstairs doesn't have one either. So this is it for us. This is where we keep everything. So I've cleaned it out before. I was trying to find that video, but I don't know if I posted on YouTube or if it was on Instagram. But anyways, I have fixed this. This is better. Right now it looks awesome. I'm gonna show you guys a closer look. But anyways, I don't wanna make this intro so long. Point is, we are going to clean it out. I'm going to try and be as tough as I can with myself. I've been doing a lot of research, and a lot of people say that they only have, like, some people, which is, have one sheet for their bed, per bed. That's mind-blowing. Like, so you guys have your life together that much that you just clean your sheets and then wash it and put it back that same day? Like, I can't. I would never wash my sheets because I'd be like, I can't commit to getting it washed, dried, and put back on the bed in one day. Like, that's mind-blowing to me. So I think 2 to 3 per bed is good. Okay, I'm that's my goal. Comforters are a thing for me. Like, okay, but again, I'm gonna try and be tough. I'm going to try and get 3 comforters, 3 sheets, and that's it. And everything else, and that's just for my bed. The twins' bed, we'll see. We'll see how tough I can be on myself. Okay, so this is what we're working with.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride.
Guys, I completely forgot to mention that I am going to add some foam boards to the shelving, just because I feel like it's going to look a little bit cleaner lines and just look a little bit better. And I found this, I guess, DIY on Pinterest, so I'm going to try it myself.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along.
Okay, so now I'm gonna measure the closet, see the length, so then I can cut out the poster boards or foam boards.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. What is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others.
Okay guys, so this is how it looks once I put all the boards on. I'm pretty happy with it. It'll look fine once I put all the bins in and stuff, so let's keep going.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world.
This is what I've filtered out, got rid of all the other stuff. This is the stuff I'm thinking about, or I was like, okay, I think I want this. So now I'm gonna go over this area again and kind of separate it, see what I have of each piece, and then after that decide if I actually want to keep the set, if I have a set, if I don't. You know, we're gonna go through this part now, so hopefully I can get it down even more.
You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet.
Okay guys, so I picked these chalkboard tags up at the Dollar Tree. I got 3 packs of 4, which is 12, which is how many bins I bought. And then I bought these pens a while ago. They're markers that are metallic, silver and gold. So I'm gonna see if they'll write on here, because I had bought a pen that was like a chalkboard pen, but it never wrote. So I'm gonna see if these work.
Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 la. Before I'm
Okay, this is the final product. I love it so much. I'm so happy with it. I even have an extra bin, and I have all this room down here that I can add stuff too if I choose to later on.
You should take it easy.